All right, KA, it's time for us to do the phonics dance. Go ahead and stand up. Let's get moving. When you come across the vowels, don't forget to show me your muscles. Here we go. Abby is sad. Is a. Wah. A says A. B is baby. B is B. C says K. C says K. C says K. Cat. Meow. D. I'm a digging dog. D. I'm a digging dog. D is D. Eddie loves his teddy and Eddie loves E. E says E. Froggy loves flies. Froggy loves flies. Is F. G is goat. G is G. Happy. I am happy. Is H. I. Iggy loves her wiggy and Iggy loves I. I says I. J is jumping. J is J. K kissing kangaroos. K kissing kangaroos. K is K. O is loud lion. O is L. Is mean monster. Is M. Is nice. Mrs. Miller is nice. Is N. Is opera. Is O. Opera. Popcorn, please. Is P. Qua is queen. Plop. Qua is Q. Your Highness. No rain at recess. Is R. I am smart at school. I am smart at school. Is S. Is teacher. Mrs. Rorig is my teacher. Is T. Fussy, funny, Lucy's underwear. Is U. V is violin. V is V. W is watermelon. W is W. X says X. X says X. The X-rays in the box. Y is yakking. Y is Y. I will not yak today. Hi-ho the dairy-o, I will not yak today. Z is zipper. Zip. Z is Z.